This is Russ Ward with Pixels and Pills at the social media conference, and I'm talking to Ron Andrews, the CEO of Clarient, a GE healthcare company. Ron, how are you?
I'm great.
That's great. So can you tell me today a little bit about your presentation and the support that you're giving a worthy cause?
Sure. Clarient, as part of GE Healthcare, today are launching an awareness campaign for advocacy around cancer patients.
Yes.
Reality is the Human Genome Project ended 10 years ago, and it's been a long time coming, but there's a tremendous amount of information now bleeding into the market around cancer. And one of the things we learned in our world of molecular pathology is if you've seen one cancer, you've seen one cancer. So when a cancer patient goes to see their oncologist, there's so many questions that need to be answered that sometimes don't get asked. And so our goal is to create an awareness, global awareness around cancer, its complexity, and how patients can really navigate through the complexity to get to the right point where they get the right treatment.
So GE Healthcare, Clarient, has made big inroads in technology to be able to access which cancers are which or what they look like so that you can actually help these patients get the treatment they need.
That's right. Over 7 years ago, a group of us left the world of the Human Genome Project, where we had access to all the genomic and transcriptomic technologies, and we really felt a need to clarify a lot of these key questions physicians were asking, and we could use the work from the Genome Project to do that. So we started a company that really is an academic level molecular pathology laboratory service. We do that work on biopsy tissue that comes in from all over the world. We do our work, we push that information back over the internet, we help educate the consumer, which is a pathologist or an oncologist, on what to do with the information. And GE acquired us in December of last year, really to augment their cancer work. Today, GE, and most people know, are world leaders in imaging. So whether it be a mammogram or a CT or an MRI, what they were missing was once they saw the tumor, what does the tumor look like at the cellular level? And Clarient, being an emerging world leader in that, they acquired us, and now we fill the gap that they had. And now GE stands alone as the only company with technologies that can span the scope of information a physician needs to manage an entire cancer event. So we're very excited about today and very excited about GE's recent 20-year commitment, $1 billion committed to making cancer a chronic disease.
So this is really good news for cancer sufferers, and the future is looking bright. Look, I'd like to give you an opportunity to take a plug. How can people in the community out there find out more about Clarient?
Yeah, the best way to do it right now is to go on ismycancerdifferent.com, and that'll take you right to the educational website about cancer. And really, this is a website, it's non-commercial, it's geared to educate and really inspire patients to become part of their treatment process. And from there, they'll be able to navigate through and learn more about what we do at Clarient and what GE is doing as a whole for cancer.
Ron, thank you very much for your time today. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to hearing more from Clarient, a healthcare company, a GE healthcare company, in the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me today.